Hey guys, what's up? It's Steezy Adventures. Today we're back out on the Harley today. That's right, we're riding the Fat Bob today. We're riding up to Lake of the Ozarks Harley Davidson. We're gonna get this thing a service, and on the way up there we're gonna get some pretty good riding in. So that's the plan for today. Stay tuned. Probably take a view at the lake, and it's gonna be fun. Guys, so we're up here at Lake of the Ozarks Harley Davidson, checking out some pretty sweet Harleys. I dropped my bike off a couple hours ago to get service done, so I'm kind of just waiting on that right now, checking out the Harleys. And whew, that Pan Am's cool, and if I had $20,000, that's probably what I'd be buying. The little Sportsters is pretty sweet too, man. Yeah, so if you're up here around Lake of the Ozarks, go check out Lake of the Ozarks Harley. They've got some pretty cool bikes. Guys, we are here at Tonka State Park. The lake is still right down there, and then I'm walking up here to one of the water towers, and then we'll go down to the castle here in a minute. But right now we're walking up here to the water tower, and the view from the water tower is actually really good. I've been here before but never on the bike, so we'll hike up there real quick, get a little view, and then we'll walk over to the castle when we get out of here. I kind of made my own motorcycle parking that's not legit parking spot, so kind of did a motorcycle thing, but it'll be okay. So yeah, so Tonka State Park has a couple historical sites with some old buildings. It's also like a really good hiking spot. The castle ruins were made like in the 1800s by a rich dude who really wanted a house that looked a lot like a castle from medieval Europe. He had enough money to build it, so he had one built. Of course, he had a water tower up here to feed water, so it's up on top of the hill to provide gravity, or to have gravity kind of push the water down to the castle. So there's the actual water tower. It's probably the best preserved structure out here still. The rest of the park, though, is all a really good example of how the karst landscape of Missouri kind of works. See the remains of the old carriage house up here. That's pretty cool. It's busy today. So there's the castle, the ruins of it. I think it's been burnt out a couple times. I think originally they tried to redo it and it got burnt out. But yeah, pretty cool. From the side you can kind of see the like a lot of the architecture and all the stones for this quarry right here in Missouri, pretty sure. So they should all be like local limestone. Quite busy today though. Unfortunately, since it's like not safe, you definitely can't go in, but it is cool.